Yep.
Your daily out with me.
Hey!
Hi. Hello.
Hey, everybody. Yeah, Redbird's over there.
Way over there.
Oh, yeah, a little farther. I gotta go. Wait. Oh, wait. There you go. There you are. Yeah. Hey.
My person I live with.
Yeah. Is yours not working? It's not. Try it. Keep trying it. Uh-oh.
Hello.
Let me see. Uh-oh, that's bad. Yeah. We're starting to show it. It's already off to a bad start. Something's going wrong with it. Yeah.
This one's going in and out. You just gotta.
Hello.
Yeah, maybe you should.
Yeah, here, I'll use this one. Yeah. Oh, that one's too short now. You gotta turn around. Here.
Technical.
Yeah, that one. There. Now we're all working.
Awesome.
Oh, yeah.
No, you could use a phone.
Who are you guys? Carly?
Yeah, I'm Noelle.
Carly and Noelle? Yeah, it's your daily hour with me on TV right now. What happens here on the show, we turn on the machines and we start talking. We hour, cutting in and out a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What do you guys do? It's the summertime. You guys in the summer?
Thank God for summer. Oh,
Yeah, no more teachers.
Thank God for summer. Of course, we did see our teacher today, Mr.
Don't
Hawkins.
talk about that.
Oh my God, Mr.
Police.
Hawkins. Didn't he was like a PE teacher just riding
It's not
his
right
bike.
saying teachers out of school.
You saw your PE teacher on the street,
Yes.
and did you say hi?
Yes.
Sadly.
They're all scared of him. I like him. He's an awesome
They make
teacher.
you do push-ups?
No. Hopefully.
I can't even do one.
I
Carly, you
can't
can't
one
do a
either.
push-up.
I say that very proudly.
Which is kind of sad, but that's Carly for you.
Yeah.
I'm insane. A little bit over insane, but I'm pretty.
Dude, you're gonna be a serial killer when you grow up. How are you not
Uh-oh.
insane?
She's gonna kill
Don't do that. Yeah.
She's actually gonna be one in a movie that we're gonna make.
Yep.
We're making 2 movies.
Oh,
one
yeah?
a
To
vampire
kill me,
one.
so I'm gonna be one of the Christians that
I'm
die.
gonna die in the movie.
Do you guys have video equipment?
No.
We have a video camera, and then we have a camera, and then we're gonna have people.
And
so
then we're gonna
you
put it
know.
on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you guys ever been at TCTV? You know you can get stuff. You guys can get video stuff from them that show you how to use videos.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah, they have a
that'd
thing.
be really cool.
I think it's free
And then we
or
get
cheap.
like Dollar Tree.
It's a good spot.
Yeah.
That's what channel we're on here on TCTV. You guys, anybody can get on. It's public access.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
So we can like schedule a few days and then like if they have it. So if
Yeah.
you guys want to be on here again.
Oh yeah. That sounds quiet.
It's kind of
Oh,
quiet.
yeah, you guys talking? Don't talk to yourselves. You gotta talk to the mics.
Awkward silence.
Justin Bieber's born.
There's
Dude,
a
whoever. Oh my
thing.
God, dude, Justin Bieber he's a girl. He's a girl.
I accomplished that on the last episode a
What?
lot.
Don't you think? I think it's Justin Bieber's He has a management problem. Don't you think he's not being?
No, he doesn't have a management problem. He's a voice problem.
Okay, you know what? You know he's a
Missing
girl.
something.
You knew he was like it was official when he was a girl when he had that
Hello?
perfume out. I mean, come on.
Hello?
Justin Bieber
Are your,
perfume.
is your mic not working now?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, keep talking to it.
Hello?
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Okay, there it
You
goes.
broke it, Carly.
I
Break
did.
something.
I think
I'm gonna start crying.
We have a band.
What's your band?
Demon Heart.
Of course, they want to change the name, but I like it.
I don't want to change it. I like Demon Heart, but she wants
Okay
to
then,
change it to
we're keeping it.
yes,
Just show you.
We're keeping the name. Yeah.
Demon Heart.
What was that?
What's Demon Heart?
It's our band
It's
name.
a band name.
You play
Yeah.
the radio?
No.
No.
I play the drums.
Yeah, she's gonna play the drums.
Yeah, she's drums
I'm
and
guitar,
backup singer. I'm
bass.
Oh, it's
Oh,
Dan.
there's a person.
Finally.
There's a person.
Hi, random person.
Hey,
There's a
Dan.
person. Oh, wow.
Well, you see his hand.
We gotta get mics.
That's an awesome hand.
A hand
An
again.
awesome hand.
Random hand. Hi, random person. I'm
Last
probably
time you
never
were-
ever gonna see again.
There's another mic in that. In there. You wanna find a mic in there over there, Dan? So, hey, have you guys ever been on TV before?
Nope.
Nope.
I've been on here once, but
Yeah, you've been on here. What about you guys? Yeah, you can turn on the lights over there. Yeah.
I look horrible today. Please, no.
Turn the lights out. The lights
You
over
look
there.
awesome.
By the door,
Yeah,
Dan.
from
You know where
here,
the
but not
light
on
is?
the camera.
Yeah, you can turn it on if you
So
want.
is
Yeah,
it
sure.
true that the camera puts on like 20 pounds or something like that?
Probably. I
that
look
true?
terrible right now.
Whoa, really, really good.
Is that true? Does the camera put on like 20 pounds when you're on it?
I don't think so.
It's kind of weird, but.
I think I look about the same. You can see right there. You think you look 20 pounds heavier on the TV?
Well, I just don't think I look good right now. I mean, maybe in real life it looks different. but
Me neither.
seriously, Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, you guys just have low self-esteem.
We should get a better makeup
Yes,
department.
I do.
Very
Probably-
low.
I think there's a mic in those boxes over there. Dan, you gotta find a mic in the boxes. Oh, can we now? Yeah, there is. You gotta get lower though. Yeah, there you are. Yeah, there's Dan.
Awesome.
Giant floating head has just appeared.
Go get the you can get the mic out of the box. One of those in that pile over there is a mic somewhere. Yeah, let's see if we can find it. He's gonna find a mic over there. Hey, did you guys go to Lake Fair?
I did.
Yes.
I went on
I
to
had a
Lake
deep
Fair.
fried Oreo.
Whoa.
They are delicious. It's
Oh
like
my
heaven
God, it
flew
was
down
like
into my
heaven.
mouth.
I've tried it too, and they're so
Same.
good.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It may sound weird, but really
good.
they're really good.
Yes, deep fried Oreos are awesome. It's like
They
heaven
already bombed.
got lost, took a turn, and landed in one of them. They were delicious.
You
I still
landed
haven't gotten
in
there
it?
till about 11 o'clock.
Delicious.
Me and Carly are gonna go to the Puyallup Fair for all day, so I didn't really need to
I was
go.
there in Lake for like all day till like 11 o'clock.
Did you go on the rides? Wait, when is the Puyallup Fair?
Like August, I think. I'm not sure.
Oh, I'm
Dude, whoever saw the Battle of the Bands.
I want to go to that.
To that, yeah.
It's the biggest fair in the world.
No,
Kind of, not really.
no,
Okay,
they're bigger ones.
Going.
Yeah, they're bigger ones.
This. I was trying to find the other. Oh, this. Yeah. These mics are the bad ones, but that one. Yeah, that thing. Let's see. I'm resetting it up. We gotta keep moving stuff around because we didn't have it all set up. But now I'm getting it set up,
Hello.
moving things around.
I got 2 mics. Hello. I am your
All
father.
right.
I just want to put this out there. Carly is educated. She just doesn't.
She's educated.
She,
Wait, that's-
trying
that
to
guy's-
be.
yeah.
we all have good education.
Yeah. Do you
Yes,
guys go
we're
to,
all
you guys go to public schools?
Educated.
Education is the best.
Education.
Education.
Public
Whatever
school.
they said.
So it should be like, I don't know who to shout out.
I want to give a shout out to McKenna.
Hi, McKenna! If you're watching it, wait, which camera are we on? That one. Hi, Kenna Senpai!
You probably won't.
You working out?
Ooh, you called her Cindy.
I don't know.
Oh, Dan's echoed.
I'm all dreamy.
Yeah.
I'm talking from the nether region,
The Twilight Zone.
One Dan.
somewhere outside of time and space.
Yeah, Dan's not on TV.
Charlie the Unicorn.
Dan's out there in the cave.
I want to take a
In
ride.
the cave land.
Disembodied voice and
That's
stuff.
creepy.
And stuff.
Stalker.
Oh, who's that? Whoa. Where is he? Yeah.
Hey, you're kind of on the echo too, aren't you?
No. Oh, I think you just hear it.
Wah ha ha ha.
It's just in the room. You can hear it. Hey,
Yeah.
let's check this first message. It's from Robert Cam.
I left a message.
Hey Kenny, this is Robert. I was just watching the show from like Thursday, and you had a caller call in, and you thought his name was Bill. And I'm just calling to tell you that his name is Bruce. It's this guy right here. Crazy and Bruce Lee and helping her get a few things for her house. That guy's name is Bruce.
Bruce.
And you said you were going to schedule him for the 26th, Tuesday the 26th. I forgot what time, but it'll be good. Put him on the show. I'll watch.
All right,
okay,
Bruce.
talk to you later.
Yeah, we're gonna have Bruce on the show Tuesday the 26th. You know Bruce, right? Right, Dan? Bruce? Wait, is that working?
I'm sorry
wait.
for my mother.
I am too, but
I
even though she's not my
apologize
mom.
too.
Wait, oh, here,
I
try.
apologize for my
I'm
mom,
a
even
little
though she's
scared
not
right
here.
now, but
Is it-
She'll
well.
ruin it somehow, right?
Hello?
Oh, this mic's. Yeah, I pulled out the faulty mics today because we have so many people. So now I'm gonna get them to work. Yeah, I'm trying to get what.
You will not play with
Way.
That's your mic. There, oh, is it working now? Coming in and out. Coming in and out. Yeah.
no.
Can you hear me now?
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
I hear you.
I think, yeah, you just got to turn the trim down.
Oh, hey, Red, I wanted to talk
Yes,
about
that's,
Redbird last time she was on. You talked about the Casey Anthony trial, and you were wrong about it. You thought that she was going to get convicted, right?
Okay.
Or,
Yes, I did, and be the surprise to everybody out there, she did not. And today she walked out free. No, it was yesterday.
she got out. Yeah, she didn't even get
Yesterday
convicted of the
was
minor
Sunday.
things, right?
What?
She got out with she didn't even get convicted of the little things, or did she? I don't,
Well, a little bit for lying, and then that might not even happen now. I don't know, but she walked out with her little pink polo shirt, and she said that she would be happy to let her mom be the decoy, and yeah, well, it didn't happen. She went out on her own, and now they don't know whether she's in Arizona or in, what was the other state? Nevada or something like that. She's a free bird. Or Leonard Skinner. She was totally a free bird.
yeah. I don't, is that wait? Yeah. So, what do you think about that? Like, remember the OJ walked out of all the big trials. Everybody never gets convicted. It's too public.
Well, OJ was guilty too. I mean, what can I say? You know,
Yeah.
the kid accidentally drowned. You know, she tried to cover it up. That's it. OJ, he just he murdered her.
Can you turn that down on that mix, the main mix right there? Yeah, on the right. There's a big bar on the bottom right. Yeah, that thing. Turn that to the left there, and then that'll keep from feedbacking more. Maybe more further left. Like turn it way down. That doesn't matter. It's not gonna. That's just the monitor. You can
There's a
turn it
giant
to the
head
left.
in front of the TV.
Yeah, that left to the left to the left. Oh yeah. That's probably better. So it's pretty quiet.
Yeah, it's crazy. So a lot of people hate Casey Anthony, and now we're just waiting to see what's going to happen. Whether somebody's going to kill her or somebody's going to just.
Just turn it way down, like all the way almost, and then yeah, that'll be good there. Okay.
Okay, that can work. Whoa, wait.
Yeah, now it's all. I mean, it's a little bit quiet, but it's not gonna feedback.
Wow. Okay.
It's
Yeah.
still going. Yeah, it's still recording at the same level. Like I can see the things. Maybe it's not as fun now, huh? We should turn it back up. Oh, there.
Hello.
Yeah, turn it back up.
Yeah.
Let's turn it back up.
Casey
Let's get it back
Anthony's
going.
gonna be like,
Yeah, we'll get the feedback. Just watch out for the feedback. All right.
really bad karma, that one.
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Did you hear that this lady that had like
Hello?
psychic things like going on went to put like a poster together when she like protested this?
Yeah.
And she put together a poster, like this clipping out of this paper of Casey Anthony. And, you know, like, all of a sudden, like, there was, like, red where the tape was on her poster. Like, she used white glue, and she's like, yeah. And there was, like, just the blood that was completely and totally, like, where the tape was. No, it was true. And I thought that was bizarre.
Fake blood?
Well, then, you know, the lightning struck the tree where she was laid to rest. There was a lightning bolt that struck that tree dead.
The baby?
The baby, where she was laid to rest, there was a lightning bolt struck that
After?
tree. Yeah, right after they found that place. I'm telling you, there's like lots of really creepy stuff. It's like little Casey is just like coming out of the grave to like tell people like, I was murdered.
Whoa.
All this like crazy stuff. So yeah,
just don't wanna-
it's
just-
pretty crazy.
Everybody, you can't hear it. You can't monitor it. Yeah. Yep. Maybe more.
Are you sure?
We're going back up. We're going to look out for the feedback. It's all. I'll probably watch the feedback coming from your mic anyway, Dan. So you just gotta watch watch that mic. Oh, maybe not. I don't know what's going on. At all? It stopped working?
Hello? Yeah, it is. Oh, it is?
Hello.
Okay, it's working.
Yeah.
So it should be called.
Watch these things. You see this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was looking at him.
Watch the bouncers. So if we.
Woo!
Hello?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. See. You can see.
Should
Oh
we
yeah.
call
Dan
somebody?
playing with feedback here. Listen. Dan left a message for himself, I guess.
I did.
Oh, this is Lord Dan, and I am calling to say greetings.
That guy sounds like Jack.
Yes, and behold, I like the show. I like it a lot. And I like the fact that Sean sang me a song. And the song was called Dan. I wish you would have said Lord Dan. That would have made me more, feeling more lordly and such.
In any case, I liked it. I liked it lots. And my minions are pleased. In fact, my new minion, named Roy, is also pleased. Yes. He does not beseech me with the pain things as of late. And I am pleased by this. Yes. So, therefore, I'm watching the show. I'm liking the show. And you're blessed. There we go. Blessed with my favor for liking it and such. Anyway, I am finished speaking. I shall not speak anymore for until the next time I speak. Yes, with you on the phone. The phone contraption thing.
Oh, you're doing that, Danny?
Therefore, I must sign off.
Watch your mics. I
In
don't
my
know.
usual manner. Therefore, I must say goodbye. Goodbye.
Someone's voice being back. Who knows?
Hello.
Hey, did you guys see the new Harry Potter movie?
No.
Okay, but get this. I was
Oh. Why is that happening? All right. Yes.
Mine's still
Okay, yeah. My mic is still working.
Hello.
it's working. Okay.
I think if you turn down the ocean noise, maybe that's where the feedback's coming from.
No, that one massive feedback.
Yeah, it's
Which
working.
mic is that?
What did you do with Harry Potter? About Harry Potter, you see it?
Well, get this. I was in Portland, and there was a huge line, and everybody was dressed up as a character. There was even one guy who was dressed as Voldemort.
Now that's just wrong.
It's creepy, and there is it was weird. They have no lives.
Oh, they have a life.
Well, not a very good one.
It's a life. To them, they're very involved in.
I get that.
You think about it, they're.
Okay, maybe I should stop talking because I do like chakra talk or chakra con. I can't talk today. Yep.
You go to anime convention?
Yes.
Yeah, see, everybody has a life.
Yes, but this you don't stand in line to watch it.
Actually, we stood in line for like 3 hours.
Shush! It's a cover up.
It's a cover up. That was a lousy cover up.
Yes, it was.
The thing is, though, I'm really, really into science. I'm really, really into science fiction. I'm really, really into art and science and this sort of thing. And I will go a long ways. I will do a lot of things to film, to enjoy this thing. Everybody is into something, right? And I may not be into the things that you're in, and I would think, oh well, she just doesn't have a life because she's into this totally stupid thing. And meanwhile, you're thinking the same thing about me. Oh, he's totally into Star Wars.
Yeah, I do. That's what they said, right? You guys think it's a bad life?
A bad life?
Bad life. That's what they said.
But if they're happy, if they enjoy it,
What do you guys think? But they're not supposed to be happy, right?
if it gives them
Happy for bad
fulfillment.
reason.
This just turned into one of those deep, just telling
Yeah, I think Dan brought it.
Your person is over.
I don't like talking that much.
Yeah, Dan's been a bummer. I wouldn't try to say that off of life.
Oh.
I know, well, what it is I've heard people say that a lot. It's like they have no life, and it's like, well, yes, they do.
Yeah, like
It's not a life I would choose, no. But
Oh, it's time for a commercial
Exactly.
break.
Aww.
what are we gonna take a pen out? What I did dance for?
Wait, so can we make commercial for you? Yeah. I have my camera right here too. We should make one. We should make one when we get outside and do it after the movie.
Oh, we're back. We're back.
Really?
Welcome back.
Hello.
That's
Oh, there you
his
go.
job.
Hello.
Yeah, you guys can do it. Say welcome back, yeah. Look at this.
She's taking a picture.
What do you- Taking pictures, yeah, we can take taking pictures, extra pictures. Here, yeah, it's
Extra
gonna
I
pictures.
like that camera.
Where's the thing? Here, yeah, this is, she's taking, yeah. There they are over there. This camera's freaking out for some reason. Yeah, Dan's got them out there. They're doing that.
Hello.
What did you do?
See, we got Papa.
Are you guys on? You guys are on the internet? You can put those pictures on our website. Or on the Facebook. Okay, we have a Facebook and a Tumblr. Yeah, so let's call Freddie the
You can
producer.
actually have me looking at the camera.
Producer.
You guys.
Hello.
I'm willing to look
Hello.
at the camera.
Hello.
Who called? Somebody called.
I love Blood on the Dance Floor, just to put that out there.
What's that?
Again.
It's a band.
Band. Awesome band.
What kind of band is it?
Techno, screamo kind of thing.
Techno Screamo?
And it's very, what's the word? Welcome to Candyland. No other words, because it has...
Is that stuff? Is that on the radio?
I think so. Yeah, my brother heard it on the radio and he lives in Oklahoma, so it could be kind of different.
Where are they from?
Hey, your daily hour, how's it going?
Freddie, it's Freddie.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, everybody say hi to Freddie.
Hi, Freddie.
Hi.
What'd you see?
Oh.
Wait, are you in?
Whoa, what's on there?
It's on mine.
Oh, that's why I had the pipes turned down on there. Jack, can you turn down the treble on the main thing there? The treble.
Dad? Is that your dad?
No, Dan.
Oh.
That would be weird.
Like, wow, well, you kind of look like a little.
No, Dan is not my father.
That'd be it. It would be. It was an awkward silence. Justin Bieber was born.
Freddie, how you doing?
What's that? What?
How are you doing?
Oh, me? I'm great.
Do you know a person named Jason?
Yeah, I do.
Horror movie waiting to happen.
That was a
It might not be the same Jason. My Jason lives in Vancouver, Washington, so.
Perfect place to happen. That's where Justin Bieber's from.
No, he's from Canada.
Of course he's from Canada.
Carly, have you not seen the Mad where it's like, I'm from Canada?
Yeah, well,
No, I guess I have no idea what you're talking about, actually.
That's exactly what I said today. You totally stole that from me. Okay. Yeah, she does.
Treble should be down, yeah.
See, America or Canada or wherever he's from gave us Justin Bieber. And then we got revenge by giving them Rebecca Black.
Oh, dude, I love Rebecca Black. She's great.
I don't. It's Friday. Oh, that bugs me.
Yeah, that song, that's a hit. That's a classic.
How do you say that? How does she?
The ages.
You done deaf? Yeah, seriously.
What's that song sound like?
It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. That's all I know.
And yet we all hate it. It's weird.
That sounds weird.
Radio or I don't even. It's on the.
Hold on, one second.
You guys hear it off the internet, yeah?
Yeah. It's a little sad.
Mine isn't. Wait, yeah, it is. Hello?
Wait, Freddie, have you heard? What's that band you guys are into? The
Blood on the Dance Floor.
Freddie, you know that band?
With Dobby Vanity, the hot one, and Javon Monroe. He's cute too, but I like Dobby more.
Yeah, Dobby's hot.
You
I
know,
feel like you guys are speaking a different language here.
We're girls.
Yes, we're teenage girls.
Oh. All right, well, that explains some of it, I guess.
It's Blood on the Dance Floor. That's what they're called.
Oh, okay, there we go.
Awesome.
Yeah. Ooh, Black Veil Brides.
Awesome. 86 is so hot.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Freddie, how's
Fallen Angel.
how's the production end going?
Oh, it's going good. Captured a tape today. Right now, actually, I'm working on the pegboard that we have going. That's not exactly production end, but sort of is.
Oh, yeah,
Pretty soon in the studio, we're going to hope to have a place to hang up all our cables and other things that make a mess of the studio when we're not using them. But people have used puff paint to draw profane pictures on them. So we're scraping it off, and then I'm going to repaint it, and hopefully by the end of the week we'll have a nice new pegboard in the studio.
Oh, that sounds good. Yeah.
Hip hip hooray.
Yeah. Wait, did you guys gonna call in about Freddie the other day? That wasn't you guys, or was that somebody else?
Somebody else.
Oh.
Must have been someone
We called about, like, it was just kind of a random one. Like, I mean, that one guy was on here dancing.
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
And I was like...
Was that Sean?
I don't know. He was just dancing in the background with a bunch of different colors.
Yeah, last night.
Sean.
Yeah, last night.
Oh yeah, that was definitely a Sean episode. That was a crazy thing. I remember that thing.
Well, it was like, it wasn't last night, but it was like a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
Very long ago.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's working.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, did you guys watch? You didn't watch your episode from when you were on last time on Monday?
No, I was at my cousin's house, and they don't have Comcast.
Yeah, wait. Talk on the mic, or can you guys? Yeah.
When did it air?
It airs a week after, so
You said you were up all
1
night
week.
and watching it, Mom.
So it's gonna be on next week. I mean, it was on. I mean,
Cool.
this episode's gonna be on next week. The last episode was on the 11th, which was last week.
If any of my friends
So-
see me on this,
It was on last week, so then you're shooting it again next week. This one.
Awesome.
You can watch it on YouTube. Do you have the internet, Red Brother?
Yeah, well, she does, and I told her about that, and I thought they'd be interested.
Because I'm awesome.
But you don't know how to use it, or she does that?
Well, I mean,
She doesn't know how to use
computer
it.
out, so she's got a new computer, and so she's got to do all that.
It's Mom. It's the same as any computer. You just.
Yeah. My mom doesn't know how to use the internet.
It's kind of difficult teaching them.
Yeah.
To watch.
I tried to teach my mom. She didn't understand a
My mom doesn't understand anything.
I had little kids.
Internet.
Little kids
I'm a little bit.
they know how to use
that.
YouTube, like 5-year-olds, and they're getting on there, and they're born with the internet.
It's kind of sad when your mother
I love
doesn't know
puppies.
anything about the
I
internet.
know how to get.
No, I think that the youth
don't
now
know
have all the
what I
wisdom.
plug
That's the
in.
thing.
Yeah.
Everyone, as they get older now, is just getting less smart, maybe. That's what I think.
Yeah.
'Cause,
Okay,
I mean, there's these kids who can do so much more than I can do. I mean, I guess they don't know, they know technical stuff, but they don't actually know,
They know about
world
about
wisdom.
I'm a perfect example of that.
Yeah.
I know
Yeah,
about
they
purple
still have a lot
dimples,
to learn
and I'll
about
tell you
life.
what, Purple dimples are so
streets.
much more important than learning how to do the internet. Purple
You're
dimples,
random.
I'm
Purple dimples,
dimple.
like all
Perfect.
the way, and filtrums.
Okay then.
Oh, Rick, can you turn her mic up? I can't really hear her very well.
Oh, how about now? Oh, then.
Okay, can you hear me?
I can hear you, yes?
I can
Yeah.
hear you.
How's it going,
I
Freddie?
can.
How's it going,
Yeah.
Freddie?
Well,
Oh, great. It's going fine.
yeah. What are you asking about? Well, Freddie,
that?
you have anything else you want to ask these? You want to ask these people here, or?
Let's see. Nope, that's all. I can't think of anything today.
Of course.
Hey, Freddie.
Carly's disappointed.
Oh,
Hey, Freddie, what day is episode? What I want to figure out what day the new season starting and what day the 365 episode.
332 is the start of the new season.
So 332 is.
The 32 days after last Friday, which 32, is that equally divisible by 7 or not? I can't tell.
Well, that's like a month.
It's almost about a month, yeah.
So
a little bit
32
more-
days.
A little over a month, yeah.
More than a month.
Episode 300 was on the 15th, right? So
Yeah, I think so. It must be, yeah.
14. I'm trying to figure that. 14, and then 21, and then what's 21, 3, 21, 22, 23, 24, 30, 32. So it's gonna be on the 12th, Monday the 12th of August. We had our 300th
Okay, so if
episode.
you want to come for the season ender or the season premiere, that's going to be on the 11th and 12th of the next month.
Oh yeah.
You have to have an anniversary party.
We did 300 episodes. We're gonna do a season. I think we should do it instead of the year. We should do the season premiere. I think it's more important than the year.
You know, maybe just like in the movie, yell a lot.
We're gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna do. I think we're gonna do a live studio shoot at TCTV.
This is Sparta.
Yeah, and we're gonna do a live studio shoot at TCTV for the season premiere episode with this audience. You guys, everybody come to that. You guys can come to that.
Yay! I want to do it.
Yeah.
That's a
You guys
whole
wanna
lot
do
of
it?
microphones.
We're gonna have it. We're gonna have them in there. Yeah, we're gonna try to get as many microphones as we can. Everybody's gonna. The whole audience will be able to talk on the show.
You might want to plug them into the snake in Studio A and just because there's like 8 mics or something. I think 8 that are usable.
Hey guys, I gotta go. I'll talk to you guys soon.
Have a good one, Freddie.
Thanks for having me on the program. It was nice to talk to you guys.
Bye.
It's on.
Oh, I totally forgot it was on.
I know. So
That's the funny part.
It's kind of sad, Carly. Your mind's going.
It already did.
How much,
Well, yeah,
how much
you're
time do we
right.
got left?
We have about half an hour.
Yay!
we have a half an hour and 10 seconds.
Yeah.
So I thought I was like totally late because I didn't get here until like 5:30.
Well, see, we went up the stair. Well,
Yeah, we went across the street to the wrong building.
I was late also, so that means
they did. I
we
didn't.
were
I
all
was
late.
right.
Everybody was late, so then that's good.
Also, do they check the parking after 5?
I don't
I don't
know.
know.
Because I didn't have $1 to pay the meter.
Look out the window.
Coming up.
What?
Sucks.
Look out the window to watch them. Right there.
Well, you can't really see. You're not
Not really.
I
You
see
have
in
to
the
stand up.
sky.
You have to stand up. Hey, what state? I want to call McDonald's. What state should we call?
Ooh,
Let's go to the state. We're going to get free food.
Oklahoma? All right.
Oklahoma.
Tulsa, is that where you're from? Or you
Well,
just like that place?
not really. I've been there for a long
Call
time.
England.
yeah,
Sort of from
I
there.
don't think they have
Sort of.
McDonald's in
Well,
England.
they do, but
Everywhere. You
Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Well, yeah, but Japan is
it's
awesome.
on Highway 60.
Even
Route
though it's
66.
kind of dead.
Route 66, and we're gonna call them. We can't call other countries because that costs money. Unless anybody wants to donate money to the program. But we don't have any budget here, so it can't. Oh. Halfway through the program.
Oklahoma.
Are they trying to stop you? Somebody's trying to give Dan a ticket. Hurry, Dan.
Oh,
Run,
no.
Forrest, run!
Rob, I know him.
Dan's gonna stop somebody from giving me a ticket. Maybe. What happens if somebody's giving you a ticket and you're like, no, don't give me a ticket, I'm right here, but they still give you a ticket?
Yeah, that'll still happen.
Yeah, they still give you a ticket.
I think they get more irritated.
Can't stop
If
them?
you're on America's repo.
Yeah.
Or not.
I'm gonna be on America's Got Talent if they come to Tacoma,
What are you gonna do? Hey, McDonald's?
Yes.
Hey, do you guys have those orange milkshakes?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you do? That sounds great. I've been waiting for to get those. Do you know how much of that you have left?
Oh, yes.
Hello?
Hey, I want to know how much the orange milkshake you guys got left.
How much what?
How much orange milkshake you guys got left?
How much are the what?
How much orange milkshake you have in stock?
Oh, orange milkshake. Let me go check real quick.
Okay.
We only have 2 bottles.
Oh, how long do you think that's gonna last?
I'm not sure.
Like a couple of days or a couple of weeks?
Maybe a week or so.
A week? Oh, I better get in there pretty soon then if I want to pick it up, huh?
What was that?
Can I ask
Yeah.
you a question? Sir, are you there?
Hello?
Yes, you're actually on a television station out of LA, and we are wondering what the temperature index is there in Tulsa, Oklahoma at the McDonald's.
The temperature?
Yes, we heard it was in the triple digits there. Is that correct?
I'm sorry, what was that?
We heard that it was in the triple digits in Tulsa, Oklahoma today, and it's been that way for the last 2 weeks. Is that correct?
I'm not really sure. I haven't paid attention to that.
How hot is it out there?
How hot is it?
Yeah, it's so hot. How hot is it out there?
It's around the hundreds usually. 100 degrees.
Well, that's probably that would qualify for a triple digit, right? Do you think maybe it would?
Yeah, it's been in the 3 digits lately, but like closer towards the end of the day, it goes down to the 90s.
That's really bad. So are there like people dying and falling over or like left and right of heat stroke? Is that right? Because that was what we hear on CNN like every night.
Really? No, I haven't seen any of that.
No, okay. Well, somebody in Tulsa died of a triple heat stroke or something with 2 double digits or something. I'm not sure about, you know. Okay, well, you guys keep doing a good job, and you need to order some more of that orange milkshake stuff because, you know, pretty soon you're going to have like an order for 300 milkshakes, and that's why this person was calling. And while you are on CBS, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Okay. You too.
You are a horrible liar.
Horrible prankster.
Prank calling people is fun.
That's not a prank. We're not pranking them. We're asking them real questions.
Yeah, we don't want to prank them.
That's not a prank.
Oh, okay,
So
then
we
hold
can't
on.
prank anybody?
I mean,
What if it's one of our friends? Can we prank
we
one
can
of our
prank your
friends?
friends.
Okay, pick a friend.
What are we gonna say?
Wait,
I know,
can
you did pretty
if
good.
you guys want me to show them blood on the dance floor, I can. Just kind of inappropriate. Yes, very.
That's
Very inappropriate.
well, I don't want to do it for copyright, but we can say we can be indecent but not obscene. We're on after 10:30.
We're gonna prank call Nick, okay, guys? That's what you get.
Worst ex-boyfriend in the world.
Yes,
why do you
don't
think-
ever. Wait, maybe if he sees this or if anybody sees this from school and tell him, he's gonna kill us.
Yeah.
I don't care. I don't care. Don't.
He's a horrible dater.
What are we gonna
I don't
say?
like him.
What are we gonna say to him?
Just read it. Shut up.
What's Nick? You want me to talk to him or you guys want to talk to him?
It's a prank.
I don't have any more info.
We're pranking. We're pranking Nick.
Me and Carly used to date him.
Yeah.
Oh,
Which never do that.
at the same
please.
time?
No. Of
Like,
course.
you
That's
got-
why we're still friends.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, answer the phone.
What are we gonna say to him though?
I don't
I
know.
don't know how to prank people. I never prank people. I just ask them regular things.
We'll say he's on TV.
Just do the.
At the very end.
Hello?
Hey,
Just kidding. Oh my God.
Nick.
No, it's
What
it's a voice.
name, message, and a number at
Oh,
the show.
is this their parents?
No,
I'm kidding. I think I'm a jerk now. Oh, anyway.
It's a fake.
in about a couple seconds. So, yeah.
Is this his parents' house or is this his cell phone?
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options. To leave a callback number, press 5.
Can I leave him a message? Hey, Nick.
Nick, you suck.
You're on you're on TV. You would have been on TV.
Okay, you're on TV right now. Go on Monday. It's gonna be on at 12 o'clock 12 o'clock at night.
Call back.
Yeah.
Channel 22.
330-536-3802.
We hate you.
I don't like you anymore.
Carly.
That's not a prank call. You know what? You guys have to
I don't.
Okay.
No, but see, our prank call is bad.
to trick them.
Yeah, you call them up and you say, "Hi, this is so and so from the power
okay,
company."
but see, the kind of prank.
We had a brownout. We want to make sure that your major appliances are running. You want to go make sure your fridge is on?
Well, see, the prank
And
that
come
we
back
have
and say,
is
"Yeah, my fridge is still running," and then you say, "Well, you
we
better
have
go catch it."
a really weird prank call thing, and it's kind of inappropriate. Yeah.
You want to say what your mom's here?
Well, she won't care.
Oh, what is it? You can say stuff. It's
on
it's
at
okay.
midnight, so.
We're on late. Maybe I don't know. Maybe
Let's go. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Should we really?
Oh
do
yeah,
it?
maybe if you don't want it.
It's really bad.
It's really bad.
Listen.
Can we sing Candyland? No.
Just is it something you might regret later?
No.
Oh well, maybe you don't have to say anything.
Aww.
You can if you want though, because it is gonna go out to the public, but it's legal to say that kind of thing. But is it embarrassing to yourself? That's what you have to think.
Not really. It's just like
Not really.
our friends know it's us.
If you guys don't believe that you'll regret it, I say go for it.
Okay, let's do it.
1, 2, 3.
Sex toys.
Sex toys. That's what you.
Oh God!
What was that?
You fell for it. No, it's that incorporated. How maybe all of you and then.
But then.
But our friends know it's us.
That's pretty bad.
Our friends know it's us though, so it's not like.
Oh.
And we only do our friends. What?
Let's call Jamie.
We're
calling Jamie.
All right, let's call. Yeah, you want to call somebody else? Tell them we're on TV, or we're gonna prank them and trick them. Is that?
What did you talk about?
It's not a trick to just tell them mean things.
Do it Taco Bell.
How about we say like
Taco Bell.
How about we say that you just won like $1 million?
Yes. We should do that to McKenna. No.
Hello. Hi.
I know.
Wah ha ha ha.
Who's gonna be talking? Carly. Or no, I'll do it.
We're calling your friends. All right.
I'll see you.
Hey, why would Taco Bell call you?
I don't know.
You can play it on the mics. You don't have to keep a secret. I can't hear it on the phone.
Well, we should say like
Sprint voicemail box of
Jamie Gilbert.
Why is everything?
To leave a voice message, press 1 or just wait for the tone. To send a numeric page, press 2 now. At the tone, please record your voice message. When you are finished recording, you may hang up or press pound for more options.
Jamie! You're on TV! You should have called.
You could have called us.
Oh my gosh, we should call us.
Hey, call us back 330-536-3802. Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys are not following. I thought you were gonna say Taco Bell. You guys aren't following through on your pranks at all.
Well, we'll do it if they pick up. What? Everybody stop. Let's call Austin.
Yes.
Okay, you have to have a plan for if it goes to voicemail.
It's gonna be you have a chance to kill Justin Bieber.
Yeah, you have a chance to kill Justin Bieber. Please call us back.
Yeah, like that's believable.
So another commercial break.
All of our time
Okay, we need to
immersed in the internet.
say you want to call
Our computer
If
monitor
so, then call back at this number.
consciousness.
Our computer monitor becomes
I could always say,
of our code.
hello, this is Johnston Butt
We
Puppy.
act like it's not true. But
Your order for sex toys is in now. Please give us a call back.
Who really did orders.
Yeah, I can totally do that.
He won't recognize my voice.
We're calling.
Hi now.
Jonathan
Seriously,
Butt
can we
Puppy.
say that? Yes. No, just say, hey, this is Miranda. You're.
Okay, the only time it might get difficult or there might be a problem is if you're really sexually graphic.
Not that way. That'd be terrible.
Or yeah, exactly. So you're probably okay.
Answer the phone.
Wait, why would I thought we were going to tell them we're Taco Bell. And they left their order. They left their order at the drive-thru.
This is funnier though. Please answer, Austin.
I'll leave
you
a
butt.
message.
Yeah, we spent a lot of time on the show.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 36091566688 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hello, this is Johnston Butt Puppy. I wanted to call you back and let you know that your order for your giant pink double dildo is in, and you should give us a call back. And what's the number again?
330-536-3802.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy your order.
Prank calls. Oh, yeah, we usually don't make prank phone calls on the show, yeah.
Yeah, but it's our friends.
All right, pranking your friends.
Damien! We're doing Damien!
How did I do?
Awesome.
Okay.
We're doing that one again. We're doing it again.
All right.
One more. We can do one more.
All right.
That's it. We have to. Okay, I'll say it. This is funny, dude. This is Melissa, and then you'll say first, and then I'll.
Okay.
I feel like that. What? Holy.
Hello? Hello, this is Johnston Butt Puppy, and I wanted to let you know that your order is in. You ordered a giant double dildo? Yes? Is that correct?
Fuck off.
Oh.
Damien, it's Noelle, and you're on TV. Dude, you're on TV. You're on TV. It's Noelle and Carly and our friend Maddie. You're on TV, smarty.
He hung up already. Oh. See, that's why I don't prank call people.
No, he won't get mad because whenever somebody does that, he starts bursting out laughing.
Oh, well, we'll call him back.
It took him a while, didn't it?
It's not.
He was all silent for a while.
I don't yeah. I don't think like when you prank call somebody, they just. Oh. Hey, we're on TV. We prank called you.
Yeah, we just called you.
Yeah, Damien.
Wow. It's Noelle, Carly, and Maddie. You just got prank called.
Dude, you're on TV.
You're on TV.
Yeah, you swore on television, man. Hello?
Luckily, it's not FCC regulated. That wasn't funny.
Hello?
Oh, that jerk!
Yeah, he's still there.
Damien! Tune in on channel 20
Yeah.
11:30. Be on channel. Okay, if you want to see this, you have to go on channel 22 Monday night at 12 o'clock at midnight.
At 11:30, channel 22. The show is called An Hour with Me, and we are their guest stars. And you said a bad word on TV, and everybody, his name is, and where does he go to school, and where does he live, and I'll pass it
Well,
to you.
no, that's not very fair.
Yes, it is. I don't
Are you
like
there?
Well, we prank. Hey, Damien, are you still there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, listen. Sorry, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings or anything, but it was meant to.
I'm not too butthurt about it.
Okay, good.
How do you feel that we prank called you on TV, Damien, huh?
I'm actually reading right now.
Good for you. Oh, the first time ever you've read. Oh, my God. It's such an accomplishment.
Hey, Damien, have you ever gotten a call like that before?
Yeah.
No.
Prank calls? Hey, Damien, do you ever watch do you get TCTV?
Do you get cable?
My cable just got canceled.
Oh.
Crap.
Okay, well...
Yeah. A week from today, this show airs at between 11:30 and 12:30 at night. This show airs, and about halfway through the show, that's when we were making a bunch of phone calls, and the girls.
You were the first one to pick
Yeah, I actually wanted to prank call you because I don't like you very much.
Oh, she does. She does. She does.
Oh.
But we just wanted you to be.
No,
on
it's just
air.
payback for the.
We wouldn't be
Stop.
calling you if we did not love you.
We love you.
I don't love you. That's a lie.
Can we sing a song? No. We love you.
Shut up! Hang up! Hang up the
baby.
Hang up the phone. Bye, Damien.
Bye. Hope you have a terrible day.
Is he still there? Are you still there, Damien?
Nope. Yay!
Yeah, I don't.
That was awesome.
That was funny.
That was hilarious.
Hello, Damien.
I needed that.
Are you there, Damien?
I needed that.
Yeah. Oh, I'm talking to. I can talk
If
to
you
the
guys,
headphones.
if you guys got a call like that, I mean, there's the
I get calls like
silence,
that all the
right?
time.
You didn't know how to react. You didn't know how to.
I'm just getting a personal
Nice
phone
phone, Maddie.
Hey,
You're on
And then
TV.
he's like, I'll
Did
just
you guys
do
know that you can
the
talk in the
generic
headphones?
get lost thing. Yeah.
You know that? Oh, yeah. Do you guys know headphones can be a microphone?
Ah,
Yeah, I'm talking to headphones.
that's awesome.
See?
Ooh, I like your pink iPod.
Oh, that is awesome.
Let's call. I want to call Spencer because he is
Wahaha,
he's supposed to be the guest tomorrow.
Oh, cool. Yeah,
Is he the guy that danced that one time?
No, that was Sean.
Ah.
Call Sean too.
Yeah. Can I use that microphone? It's pink. Hello. I'm gonna use this one.
Yeah, that one doesn't work. That one.
This one. Hey, wait.
Oh, that one works. Oh, that mic is fake. Well, you want to?
She knows she's not well educated, so.
You just want to talk to
I'm from Oklahoma.
I came from you.
Oklahoma.
We're calling Spencer. Oh wait.
What are we doing?
We're calling Spencer.
Hello, this is Spencer, and I'm not here right now. Please leave a message.
Oh, he's not there.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press
really like
1
that
for more
this,
options.
Hey Spencer, it's the program. Yeah, you're supposed to be on the show tomorrow at 2 o'clock. So if you make it, that'd be good. I guess call us back.
Hi Spencer, this is Monday Day.
Yeah.
And you better make it. You better show up. You better show up.
Otherwise, we'll give you some tough talk.
Yeah.
Ninja
We'll talk tough.
Make you sit in the corner. Ninja skills.
And then we'll give you a warning.
Mine?
Yeah, you don't want a warning, all right? Spencer, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, thanks.
Oh, I like the other way, Kim.
I like to give people warnings.
No, I don't
And if that doesn't work,
I really don't care.
I give them another warning. And failing that,
can sit in the
they
corner,
get
time out.
another warning.
Yeah.
Followed by
Another warning.
Another.
More warnings. Well, yeah, they're gone. Yeah.
Now after 10 warnings, do you know what happens? They get
Another warning. Yeah.
Warning.
Lots of warnings.
Warning.
It's
Where
like
you
after
lost it.
10, something happens. Yes, you get a warning.
Look out for warnings. Yeah. All right. Well, now it's the big finale of the show. We have about 10 minutes left. What are we gonna do? Yeah.
Aw.
Hey, I learned something today. Guess what, everybody?
What?
We all have Neanderthal genes in us.
Oh, I needed some.
Yeah.
Where can I find them?
Well, it's in one of your chromosomes, and it's just a little snippet. Now,
Oh,
what
I
this means is
probably
if
couldn't
you
pick
ever
them
get
then.
the urge to drag your knuckles, that's where that comes from. But apparently, only white people have this gene.
That's really
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
Europeans.
racist.
That is
No, they
racist.
studied
Kansas racist.
Yeah, everybody.
kidding.
People
Kansas
south of the Sahara, and people in Australia don't have this genes.
That's pretty interesting.
But all white people, Chinese people, Native American, Jewish.
really weird.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Well, what it means is that Cro-Magnon, which is what our race is, I guess, interbred with Neanderthals, which was a different race. They were bigger and stronger, and they had bigger brains. But they think they might have played the flute, but they didn't have the larynx like we do. They couldn't articulate their words like we can.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
That's what I learned today.
Yeah,
So that's good.
and when they hunted, they didn't use bows or arrow. They physically hunted with like spears directly. Like Cro-Magnons, like us, we stood back. and we threw things at the animal, so we weren't injured. And they every Neanderthal they've ever dug up and looked at has injuries similar to bucking bronco riders and cow riders. A lot of injuries, broken bones, and all kinds of healed.
Didn't you say that? You didn't say this last week?
No. I read about this morning. Yeah, we all today now we have Neanderthal genes in us.
All I know is that it was really fun prank calling Damien.
Yeah.
Well,
he was mad. You think he's gonna be mad? He's gonna nose you guys?
I don't care. He's mad all the time. It's like he's PMSing.
He's
Well, that was
mad.
pretty
It's a
funny.
mad world.
That was pretty funny. I like I tell him sorry, right? I'm like sorry, and he's like, well, I'm not that butthurt about it.
Yeah.
Well, he's
How old is he?
PMSing. He's in 7th grade now, and I'm in 8th.
7th. So he's what, 12?
Well,
He looks a little bit like Justin Bieber. Actually, he'd be good on the show, I think, because he's got the kind of like the thing going on.
He looks like Justin Bieber.
like
You guys
Justin
think he looks like Justin Bieber?
A little bit. Well, he's got the hair thing. He's got the hair thing going on.
He cut his hair.
He cut his hair.
Everywhere.
It's everywhere.
Oh my God, he cut his hair.
Yeah, cut his hair.
He used to
Now
have
it's
Justin
everywhere.
Bieber hair?
Well, before it was.
Well,
it
he
was
cut
nice.
his hair too, just like Justin Bieber.
Well,
so
he looks. He could be like the next Justin Bieber. I think he could. I mean, if he could
Did you guys?
sing.
Yeah.
It is sad.
Did you guys make fun of him when he had Justin Bieber hair?
Yes.
Yeah, I made fun of him like
He was a
I'm not saying
meanie.
anything like really bad. I don't know him, so I can't say anything.
I don't
want
want to
I don't
say
like how his hair looks.
bad word.
Or he's four.
He's like a good-looking kid. No, he's a very good-looking kid, and he's very smart.
On like America's Got Talent, who made fun about him. I was like laughing my butt off at him.
I'm gonna be on America's Got Talent. If they come
I want to be on it too. But they come to Portland. That's pretty close.
Well, it's pretty close. Do you sing?
I want to do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna sing on there.
I know. I'm gonna do anything. I'm gonna try to do backflip. I'm just gonna try to do backflip, but then fall and get on TV.
Oh, I'm gonna watch that.
I'm just gonna fall and hurt my head.
I know him.
Yeah. What do you want to do on America's Got Talent? You gonna sing?
Yeah, I'm gonna sing.
What are you gonna sing?
I
Or,
don't know yet.
but are you a singer?
Yeah.
We're gonna be in battle.
You're gonna be singing in
Give
the
us a
band,
little
right?
sample, Noel.
Yeah,
Give us a little
let's hear it.
sample. Give
Let's hear
America a little sample.
No, thank you.
Do you sing karaoke?
You can't sing now.
No, thank you.
No,
I have to have
thank you.
music, like from YouTube or something.
She's a good
Yeah.
singer, but if you're gonna be anybody, you're gonna have to just get yourself out on TV like now.
You're gonna be.
Yeah.
You're the singer of the band. You're the.
No, I'm the drummer.
McKenna's the lead singer. She's the back.
She was gonna be here, but
She's gonna be here, but then she did.
Yeah. What? She didn't want to be on TV, or
no, she didn't think that you were coming.
Yeah, didn't think that you were coming.
did she? Oh, did she leave because I was late, a little bit late?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
she left like right
She
as she got
didn't
here.
know what was going on, so she just cashed her mom and left.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's too bad. I was a little bit late. So you're gonna be the backup singer. Who's gonna play guitar? Or are you gonna?
She's guitar, I'm
Guitar.
bass.
And I'm the drums.
Oh,
And
and
we're gonna
backup.
try and be in battle
You guys have.
next year.
You guys have instruments, or?
Yeah.
No,
I got a bass guitar. I got
I
bass.
need a drum set.
Yeah, I gotta find one. So anybody out there on TV, if you guys want to have an extra drum set.
I saw a drum.
Yeah, because you love me so much.
I saw a drum kit in Goodwill yesterday.
Wow.
Oh, how much?
Which one? Yeah, we
I
got.
don't know. I didn't. I'm not in the.
Thanks for helping.
Yeah.
Well, I saw it there. It might still be there.
An extra drum set that you don't want.
Or like one for sale.
Or that's like really, really,
That's
really
cheap.
cheap.
I
That's
say.
under 100.
Because you love me so
Contact me
much.
on
I say.
Carly
I
Little.
say. On your way home, just go up on the west side and check it out. Might be there. Might be cheap.
Yeah.
You guys should should sing a song like to mosey on out of the program,
Yeah. How much time do we got?
No!
How much time do we got?
4.
We have about 6 minutes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's really dirty.
No, we can't play. We can't play a song
Hey.
off the. We can't play your. It's a copyrighted song. What, Kesha?
Like P. Diddy.
I'm not doing this.
I'm at the door. I'm gonna hit this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth
Help
with
me.
the bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on my toes. Trying on all your clothes. One up my phones. I'm talking, playing our favorite CDs. Throwing her to the parties. Trying to get a little bit tips.
You don't like the. You don't like it.
Yeah.
You don't like Kesha?
I like her. I just don't
like this
singing.
song.
Oh, all
I
right.
like the song, but I just don't like singing.
Yeah, was that a?
Kesha's pretty cool.
Did you see her when she came to Seattle?
No, I missed it.
Yeah, my friend saw her.
I missed it.
She said it was bad
really, really
though.
sad.
She said that Kesha's not very good live because she's all like, but I think she's Kesha is auto-tuned a lot, so she's kind of confused when she's live. You can't play very good. Yeah. All right.
She's my favorite. No, Dr. Vanity is mine.
No, he is
Yeah, like,
mine.
you guys.
What did you want somebody? One of you guys wanted this poster? The picture, the McDonald's.
Carly did.
The McDonald's.
No, I just thought it looked cool.
Oh yeah, that's good.
So hey, if anybody has an extra drum set that they do not need at all, contact me on Facebook, Carla.
Am I doing that?
But I never go on that page.
Yeah, maybe.
She's never on it.
I don't know what's
Never
coming from.
contact her on there.
And we must take my email.
Oh yeah. What's your favorite? What's your guys' favorite chicken nugget sauces? I don't think I asked you guys that yet today.
Sweet sour.
Yeah, that's good.
Ranch.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Harold sweet and sour.
All right. Yeah, there's a lot of feedback this episode, so you guys are watching it feeding back all the time, and we're live. I'm talking to a little headphone here.
Yeah, that's amazing.
I want to say hi to my friends if you guys watch this, which I doubt.
Should we do a bunch of shout outs?
Yes.
Yep.
Give a shout out to anybody who ever have seen me or anybody, and we're gonna be in Battle of the Bands next year. So
Maybe. We don't know that
Demon
yet.
Heart.
Demon Heart, yes.
Yeah, our name is Demon Heart. We don't have a Facebook yet.
You guys,
Because we're not good yet.
She said she was going to make one just to piss you off.
I know.
We do it anyway.
I'm going to do
About
it.
a week or two.
I think I already started it. I think I already started it.
Yeah, I already started making one.
Okay, I want to do a
yeah.
shout out to Ryan and Bill that make sure that this show airs when it does. So if they're listening, which they may not be, shouting at you.
yeah, shout out to all the viewers, right? All the viewers. Thanks, viewers. Yeah.
Shout. I want to shout.
Happy birthday.
Mom, please, you're embarrassing me.
It's the only time I can shout at Robert. Hey, Robert, I'm shouting at you.
Yeah.
You've been shouted upon.
So now you guys have been on TV. About 2 minutes left.
Yep, we got like a minute.
So how long had you guys been going before I showed up?
About 20 minutes. That's
I
what
love
would
you,
say.
guys.
So you started like at 10 after or something?
Yeah.
Hey, Kenny, do you need
Oh
a ride
my
home?
God.
What?
Do you need a ride
I
home?
can't believe you just
Okay.
did that.
I give you a
Oh
ride.
my God, please, no.
So, yeah.
No.
What's gonna happen the next couple? Oh yeah, Echo. Tomorrow we have Spencer, and then Wednesday Dan Dobler and Jessica G's, and then on Thursday we have Reese. Friday we have Chris and Maggie, and Maggie's parents are coming, and then Saturday with Lewis, Sean, Sunday with Sean, and Monday with Dan, and Tuesday with Bruce. Wednesday with Mitchell, and then we don't have anybody scheduled for the rest of the time. Do you guys want to come back maybe in August?
Yes.
Sure.
I like that.
Talking to your mic.
I want to be on
Again.
a lot. Do you want to be on?
It's got a bit of a reverb echo.
You said you were busy, Missy.
Do you want to come back on, let's see, how about August, Tuesday and Wednesday, or?
Yeah. Anyone try?
Can you, August 2nd, okay?
Okay.
Sure.
I'm not busy.
Can you get a pen over there?
What time?
How about 2 o'clock?
Awesome. Sure. Mom, stop you. You're like the him. You're like the him for Powerpuff Girls. Noelle, Carly, and Maddie.
Stop with a K and an E. K-R-L-E.
Carly,
Madeline.
Madeline. And Roberta going to be there too?
No.
You want to come without your mom?
We want to be by ourselves. We want to be by ourselves.
Oh yeah, well we'll get a Redford episode too. Maybe just a
We need
Redford
to
and
get
Beth.
bat. We need to get bat
You're missing the hole there.
Redbird and bat.
If
That's what we
Austin
need to do,
comes, I'm
Redbird
gonna
and bat.
slap him.
Oh yeah, we're
I'll kick him.
We're going to invite all your other friends. Tell your
Oh, hey, we'll have a couple seconds.
Yeah. Wait, let's count.
Damien's on TV.
Because he's a retard.
We're over. We're over time.
Oh, no, it's not for time. There's the thing.
Okay, you can fix it.
Right now. Bye-bye.
Bye. Happy July.
Don't kill yourself. Don't suicide. No suicide.
Yeah, no, that's a good advice.
I love you guys. Just
Hey,
I say, get a hug from someone that loves you.
Reeves Middle School.
That's where we can.
8th grade.
Thanks, viewers. Thanks for watching the show.
Bye.
Brush your teeth.
Thanks, CCTV. Dan works there. Thanks,
Don't forget to eat McDonald's. Don't listen to Rebecca Black or Justin Bieber.
Don't forget the Sour song, because some people really like it.
Yeah, check it out. Call in. Anytime. Bye. Bye.